Okay guys, I just finished installing it. It probably took me about 5 minutes to do, which is really fast. It's really simple. This part, everything come with it. All you need to do is just screw it on, tighten a few bolts, and this is how the final result look like. I'm gonna turn this on for you guys to see, okay? So, as you guys can tell, right there. To turn this on, make sure you press this button. You see it's really powerful. You can always adjust this one. And then different mode. So that's really awesome there. Amazing product, guys. Must have. Awesome.